Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we'll be solving the question how to reverse an array in C++ using the two pointers approach. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be initializing the variable n and assign the size of the array to it. Then we'll be initializing the variable s equals to t0 to depict the start of the array, and we'll be initializing e is equals to n minus 1 to depict the ending index of the array. Now we'll be using the while loop, and we'll be writing the condition s where s less than equals to e, and in the while loop we'll be swapping array of s with array of e. We'll be moving the pointer of s by 1, and we'll be moving the pointer of e by 1 backwards. By doing so, we'll be iterating and shortening the window by index, and we will be swapping array of s and array of e. After we exit the while loop, we'll be getting a proper reversed array. So let's run this. As you can see, the array has been reversed. So let's submit this. Voila, you can see that all of the test cases have been passed. So if you have liked this video and you have learned something from it, then please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.